Chido podcast, Mhaga AK was there. Now she was talking about like
moms.
How she like when AKA was around, like he covered everything.
That's what I
she
want
didn't
from
have
my
to
mom.
stress about anything.
That is what I want from my mother.
Yeah, and now that she's gone, she's not really struggling because AKA has built a legacy. You understand? It's just a matter of trying to maintain it. But into empty guy is that abantu babati. Let the guy rest. Why are you milking the AKA?
No. You can't tell a mother that.
That's crazy, bro.
You can't tell a mother that.
Hey,
there's no ways a sane person could tell a mother that. Like, there's no.
The internet is crazy, man.
That is
the internet
insane.
Is crazy. And I remember, AK had a lifestyle.
Exactly.
I-rent ayiveyekwe ngoske usweleke. You understand? You have to pay. Kalanyanga. So zinto, even kwa him, movie ways and all of that, and other things that had to be taken care of. Ibishekele bona.
Have you always been close to your mom?
No. Oh, bro.
Always. Really?
Always. I mean, being in a choice. Like,
really?
She's always been there. Only Lambi is single parent, Yeah, bro. So, yeah, man. Yeah, she's been doing the most. Ines bindi lanto mazana.
What is with our mom?
Ines bindi, bra.
Did
Ines bindi. And you get to realize zongezo zinto ngaso bona now, but hey, this life thing is really World War 5 or 4. Kumi bomb kulendiyalo life.
Sure.
Kunzima.
Wow.
Nesibindi, bro.
Wow. That's amazing.
Enye nesibindi kuithozi.
What happened?
It's an old story, man. Tamsanga janki. Yazi lethiwa Tamsanga janki. So umchita was an interpreter.
Okay.
Yabo, he's an interpreter umchita, yabo. So he was asked to come and interpret the memorial service by Nelson Mandela in 2013.
Okay, yes.
You remember the story? Yeah, well, that broke. So, again, we lost the legendary Nelson Mandela on the 5th of December 2013.
Yeah, 2013, yeah.
And then 5 days later, in memorial service yase Soccer City in Johannesburg. Everyone who could be there was there, bro. Everyone. I'm talking our current president right now, Cyril, Barack Obama, no Michelle. Everyone was there. And this thing I decided to go to, okay. So he just came about. He was fake, bro. He was fake.
Oh, but the sign language.
The sign language, yeah.
I remember that.
He was fake, doggy dog.
He saw an opportunity.
And he saw an opportunity. So the simile ball.
Even though I don't know his name, but I know about him.
Yo, that was one of the biggest stories out of Nancy. Obviously.
Where are we going with this? Where are we going with this? We're talking about mothers.
No, like
just random.
Like how can you just wake up and decide I'm going to scam?
I hear you.
Sauta. You know what I mean?
Yes, abantu people will shock you, dude.
Yo, dog.
Also, indlela yabanye abantu awayazi. You don't know what
other people are going through.
Hunger will do.
Yeah. That's why inamanyala is I
shout out to them. But on a serious note, Shem, I really wanna get to the point where I'm so good that my mom has to worry about nothing. Literally, not even buying bread.
Yeah.
You know?
No,
like everything
and
anything. And my mom wasn't even a single parent.
No.
Well, I think because my dad was part of the military, fun fact, my dad was in the MK. He was a soldier.
Okay. Shout out. Thank you for your service.
No, he's passed now. She had to be a single parent because my dad wasn't around. He was in the military. Yeah, he was in the military. So, also, my siblings and I got to experience my parents parent for the first time and married for the first time, because after my dad left the military, that's when their marriage started.
And they've been dating for how long?
I couldn't tell you.
No?
I couldn't tell you. I don't know. But what I know is that they lived separate lives. Because my mom was a nurse. And then obviously military bases move and stuff, whatever. Then my dad was in Pretoria and all of that. My brother and I were living with my aunt in Butterworth.
Ekas.
So I grew up.
Yeah, unaila element.
I do.
Nangono soft sometimes.
Because we made it out, man. Because we made it out.
You made it out, bro. How important is it going to like abantu bakhulele emchatweni and get to experience yonke la way? Because to be fair, nam the end I taste even though like it didn't like kangibe bende ngelixesha ngelihlobo bendiexpecta ngalo yabo, because when goes bese ngiqaphela ke ngoku ndiqaphela bawukuchatiwe apha, that's when the divorce thing happened ke ngoku.
It's so crazy.
But I did get a taste of what it is
so
to grow up in a family whereby both parents are married.
It's so important.
Yeah.
I say it's so important because even with my parents, like I said, they learned marriage with us being there. So there was a lot of conflict. So with my parents, there was a lot of conflict in the sense that they separated close to divorce. So the separation happened leading to divorce, but then they didn't end up divorcing.
Okay.
And then, crazy story, my parents were separated for 1.5 years, if I'm not mistaken. My brother who's watching, correct me if I'm wrong. Because my brother watches a podcast, actually.
Shout out.
I only got to experience my parents married in my late teenage years. And then my dad passed when I was 18. Damn. So I only got to experience them for like 2 years in a good marriage.
Yeah.
And even that, I didn't have a good relationship with my dad.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Yes.
I didn't. But you know what, ne? I was the problem.
No, poison.
No, definitely. I take it. I was the problem in the relationship with my dad. Because also they were in separation with my mom. Obviously, my mom's side of the family. Your dad.
Yeah, definitely.
But let me tell you something. My dad was a dad.
No.
He was a dad. My dad would show up. My dad would drop me off at school and ding a phone. My dad paid for everything. The reason why I went to such a good high school was because of my dad. The reason why I was able to go to Eteshar was because of my dad. He paid for it all. Like from primary, high school, Teshar, nanfunda free. Why? Because my dad was in the military.
Was in the military. Oh, that's
shout out MK.
Proper. Shout out MK. Because to be fair, like it divorce rate high too much to a point of like see. You know, we are generation school. We are trying to build families. Nabantu banga understand yola concept. Yoba like marriage is not just a level that you need to reach. Kubutanda umdu. It's something that you need to commit to as well.
Let me tell you.
And then when you get there, you are not willing to roll your sleeves.
Can I tell you something? Remember in previous episodes, I said love is not enough.
Yeah.
I saw that because my parents loved each other, but it wasn't enough to keep them together.
Yeah.
It's about, when people say, it's about Landioba, I choose you every single day. Even if I'm so mad, but I choose you. That goes beyond love, bro.
Yeah, it does.
That goes beyond love.
It does.
Like, but you still continue to choose to show up.
Yeah. That's the danger. Yoba ukhule like if ebazali bakho bengachatanga, because nawe uzabana lanto engqondweni yakho ba it's cool into yokubana umntana wami kuza abe ne relationship notata yakhe akhwela itaxi ahambe yombona, because that's what you know wena. You understand? Awuyazi family whereby the father ulale xabene nomama and then the following day ekuseni bavuka bebuzana how many sugars do you take on your ibe ngathi like akwenzekanga
Can I tell you something?
You know what I mean?
Can I tell you something?
Abantwana esifuna ubuilda nabo ifamily ngoku abayazi loo nto.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
My parents would fight and would know that that they are arguing or fighting, right? But my mom would still patela utatam ukutya ngetray.
Yeah.
Every single time. Mad. They're not even talking.
Yeah.
But that go and I would wonder
what's going on abantu?
Why you patela and I was there and your feelings are valid.
Yabo?
Literally.
Ilando yoyazi into kubana like umtshado yintoni when you because nathi by sikhulisa abantwana emtshatweni we are giving them a front row seat to lento abazayenza lento bafuna uyenza. You understand? Not into kubana bayibukele ko Thando Nesithembu whereby yonke lanto is scripted if producers ne directors funa nje idrama and then that's what they think bona is marriage. You understand? It hits different when you see it like firsthand and stuff. So amachita they need to at least check it background. But like when your parents because uzawujola nomuntu ongaunderstand yonke le way.
Valid. Hey, abantu cool people. Basibambe with deep conversation nebro yamne.
Oh, kanene we
are going down. But anyways, guys, we really want to apologize for not dropping last week Wednesday. If you keep up on our socials, we did explain as to why. Issues with our guest and all of that. But like there's no bad blood there. We're cool with our guest. Shout out, she can come back whenever she wants to. Being comfortable this time. But yeah, we're back now.
We're
back.
Your spaceship has landed exactly where you have to be. Welcome to the planet of the cool. This is the Cool People Podcast. And I'm your host, Khoze Prince K. Ngalako, Lenqoko yechap, isikoko senjabulo, UOOTD wezaza. Nekacha, and of course I'll be holding it down, keeping it cool with the beautiful,
the one and only. He's never alone. You can't run this ship without me.
Can never be alone.
Hey man, you guys already know who I am. It's your girl Younger here. Welcome. It's been a long week. No time, no speak. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I missed you guys so much. So much. But welcome, man, to the Cool People channel. It's good to see you. It's good to have you. I also want to say a shout out to everybody who's been engaging. We see you. We acknowledge you. Continue liking, sharing, and subscribing. Tell your friend to tell a friend about us so that they can become citizens of the cool planet.
We touched on it.
Wait, hold on. We need to give them time to subscribe. Okay. Honor the time. It's a very important thing that they need to do this.
Go ahead,
subscribe.
Do your thing.
Yes. 3, 2. Yeah. Now you've done it. Now you need to like and share it on your WhatsApp, on your Instagrams, tell your neighbor about us. Even if you take their laptop and just subscribe, because we are heading to 1,000. 6 million is where we're heading to from 1,000.
And it's gonna happen.
And it can only happen with your help, guys. We really need your help into doing that. Your engagement is what makes us show up every single week, and also us not being happy with not dropping, because we understand.
I know we
heard your cries. We saw that, hey man, you actually like us, but when we didn't drop, we understand that. But you know, we are here now, back and better.
So,
you understand?
Speaking of foot drop, I'm so excited. I feel like my boy has announced i-date yakhe azokhupha ngayo i-album yakhe. Trizim Drezula is going to drop on the 15th.
Yes.
Man, I'm so excited. I think the rollout is one of the most creative I've seen in a long time. Yeah, you know what he did, Mos?
What did he do? Tell me.
He dropped an ice sculpture in the middle of a parking lot downtown Toronto, Canada, where he's from. That
was so creative.
And then the release date was hidden inside one of the ice tubes, inside a leather seal. Who even thinks of that, bro?
Mind blowing.
And people spoke about that whole thing. Okay, the release date was Tingatina ifunyone sesinye streamer sase Canada, and then
you see,
he went viral.
Previous episodes you were like, oh, he's so quiet. I was like, he's cooking something.
Yeah, he's coming.
He's cooking something.
Iceman.
Yes.
And so again, we're going to poison. I don't know how you feel about this. Indwana yakho ingadifuna drop ara ngala day one give you. Talk to your bro.
No, it's fine. No, there's no bad blood there. Those people are bros.
Talk to your,
they are
but
brothers.
it might harm. Might harm his rollout and everything.
I don't think so, because it's two different genres.
But Drake, when Drake drops, bro, everyone needs to sit and listen, bro. And
everyone
this is the most
sit and listen.
This is
There's
the most
time and date for everything.
Anticipated album got Drake, because it's shortly after, he's fresh out of the beef thing, and so everyone wants to hear what he wants to say.
Everybody's gonna listen.
Yeah?
Everybody's gonna listen.
Who give you?
There's no competition there. There's nothing wrong.
Yeah,
anyways, Betuna, it's a special day today. We have a guest.
Oh yeah.
We have a guest. We're not alone. We're not
here
finally.
Alone.
Do you want to introduce him?
Should we ask him to sit down or introduce him?
Introduce him.
Okay. So namhlanje is a special one, bafethu.
Yes.
Siyayazi nokubana we are a podcast that pushes into yokubana sini introduce kwabantu abacool doing cool things out there. Because nathi sikhool.
Yeah.
So our guest namhlanje. Okay, let me find a proper intro for him.
No, we know him as the creative.
Let me find a proper intro for him. Our guest today,
yes,
is a guy who moves through the world with a very distinct point of view.
Washa.
He's a stylist,
yes,
a creative, somebody who understands that fashion is not just what you wear.
Come on.
It's a language.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your digital hands together and help me welcome on the Cool People podcast our first official guest, Bathenkosi Spesihle Luphalule.
Let's go. Welcome.
Yeah,
I'm good, and how are you? Good to finally meet you. Get comfortable. What's up?
I'm good. Can't complain. How are you guys?
Now we love you, man. We love you, man. Looking fresh.
Just come closer to the mic. Awesome.
Ne?
What's up?
No, I need to breathe,
Yeah. You can even drink water.
Yeah.
Just landed on the planet of the cool. You understand?
I'm officially recognized as a cool person.
Absolutely.
Dude.
Absolutely.
And who else to recognize me than the
Cool people.
Come on,
bro. Nice to have you. Thank you for coming through. Obviously, it's going to be a podcast where we interview you as well, but we want you to also engage in some of the conversations that we have. If you want to bring something up, feel free.
More than welcome to.
This is your home now.
Yes.
Of course.
But I do want to start somewhere. We do something on this show, OOTDs, and you are very fitting for it. So we're gonna do our OOTDs. I'm going to start, and then you can follow my lead, but you can also do it in your own way. And then Prince and I are gonna say our OOTDs, and then we want you to rate them.
Okay.
And then go when I was and say OOTD. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Awesome. All right, guys, I'm back with the OOTD. You've seen this one before. Shein down. The pants were from Cotton On, and then it Crocs. Yes. Prince, what are you wearing, my brother?
Oh, that was quick.
Very quick.
Caps, Vans, T-shirt, online, Shein, and then H&M, Zara on the sneakers.
Zara sneakers.
Okay.
And then he's gonna have to rate us.
I'm gonna have to rate. Look,
yes.
I'm gonna have to rate.
You rate
Yes.
and then
Okay.
you go and do
rate?
your
Okay.
Us,
Okay.
Other than
Let me do this.
yes.
Color.
Yes.
I'm a person who likes color. I like your color game. Not even gonna lie. Like your color game. Structure, monate. Will give you a 7.
And
We'll
did
give
well.
you a 7.
Keep us guys.
Opposite.
Keep
Out
us
of 10.
easy.
Out of 10.
No, keep
Out
us
of 10.
easy.
Opposite.
Keep us
Opposite.
easy.
Yeah,
Keep us easy down.
You know?
Yeah. I'm not mad
Mara
at the 7.
uyazini, style comes from inside. So when I was rater,
Mina. Hey guys, it's not my best, but
Don't be humble now. Don't be humble
I'm
now.
not not humble. I can do something more than a 7 on my good day. So I'll take the 7. I'll also rate myself 7. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And then the side.
To me, be easy.
But you look like a football gen. You look like a football gen because you're wearing the top also. Like, you know. So I'm not going to judge you. I know it's also a Sunday outfit. Yeah, bro. It's also a Sunday outfit. There was a game playing maybe. You never know. Yeah, bro. So I'll give you a common for a Sunday. I'll give you a 6.
A 6.
For a Sunday because you also didn't dress up that much.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got you.
But it's not bad also.
No. A 6 is proper. Opposite.
So again, now fang outfit check. Guys, so first and foremost, check my stances. Stance is not a crime. That's what we call my OTD.
Let's go.
Whatever you call it. May I stand up? May I stand up?
Yeah, you can.
Dangi. So hello, hi everybody. Check my stances. Nothing too hectic. First, we're gonna start off with the hairstyle.
Yes.
Inspired by myself. You know, get into myself. And then it will go down to the top. The jacket I got from Never on a Sunday.
Where is Never on the Sunday?
Never on a Sunday is an Alps, like a store in Alps.
It's like a thrift store. Yeah, okay. I was about to, thrifted.
And then the pants, my girlfriend, she's the one who got them, so I can't.
Shout out, T. Shout out, T.
Can you speak through the mic?
Shout out people who love us. And then the shoes, Kitty Puma, which I got from a homie, nothing too hectic. And then the beanie with the light Osbad chain. Thank you.
Danko.
How much are you guys gonna rate my outfit?
I'm not Klausapaga 80 straight.
Got 8.
Yeah, Klausapaga 80 straight.
I was getting there also. I'd say 7.58 because creativity really boosted you. It's a very creative outfit.
It's not my best outfit.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
no, we know
there's room for improvement. We can't bumper you too much.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about like who you are and your background. You understand? For those who don't know you, who are you, Togi Talk?
For those who don't know me, I am a dream chaser.
Okay.
I would like to say I'm a dream chaser. But in life, we'll say I am a stylist, a conceptual stylist. First and foremost, a set designer aspiring. Okay. As in, I'm still learning.
Okay.
And then all in all, I am also a muse, I have to say, guys. Kinale book, I have a book out there. I'm featured in a book, Tetris B Mountain, which is by Yana. It dropped February this year. Yeah. So all in all, I'm a storyteller, though. I feel like I live life, dog. I can't really just base myself under a bubble, under one bubble. So I'd like to say I live life. The reason why I started with I'm a dream chaser is because I kind of like, although I have dreams that I'm living, I also enjoy like helping people achieve their dreams in a sense, you get me? That's why I do the creative stuff. Like when we're working with your artist, because that's that artist's dream. But then it was also my dream to work with this artist, you get me? So that's how that's why I like to say I'm a dream chaser. Yeah.
Shout out. Okay. I'm looking at your hairstyle, bro. I can't stop looking at your hairstyle. I'm sorry. Do you sometimes feel like maybe your style, your personality is misunderstood? Because I'm sure when you instruct your barber how to cut you, he definitely gives you those. Yeah. What do you want me to do now?
Yeah.
What's that? Which one is this one?
Dude, so I used to struggle with perception a lot. So like I used to have piercings, like I used to have gang piercings. So back in 2023 towards 2024, I had piercings, and then I was also experimenting with like the whole hairstyle situation, you get me? Which is inspired by African tribes in general. That's where I got it from, you get me? So I used to like struggle with that quite a lot. People would like have this misperception, because I have piercings and have these hairstyles, people will say some weird shit, and people, askis, for my language.
No, it's fine.
It's
It's
okay,
fine.
it's okay, it's okay.
Don't
worry.
People will say some weird stuff, right? But then it's a thing of they say it out loud, but then they don't think that you're also human, and you get me. So
how it's going to land?
You get on some. You look satanic or whatever it is that people are saying, and then it's like, dude, people are not gonna take you as seriously just because of how you look.
Yeah.
Because if I'm gonna pull up to you, let's say in a corporate setting, if I would pull up in a corporate setting with my hairstyle and my piercings, people are gonna be like, yo,
you don't know what you're
I'm
doing.
not gonna listen to you. Like,
no
what are you
gonna
gonna
take you serious?
You get me? So it did, in a sense, also play a role. Hence, I removed my piercings also. Because at first, I lost myself within the source, but then I needed to also see myself, because I was like, these perceptions stick to you, right? And you lose this identity of self, or you forget about this identity of self. So I was also trying to kind of like, who am I outside of these perceptions that people are saying wherever you go? Because it's like very uncomfortable to go outside, and then people are gonna look at you, and people don't know that they judge you even when they think they're not judging, because I can tell from your face what you're thinking. Right?
And that's why I made the barber example, because I can imagine that, it's not normal that someone comes and makes such a request, haircut and stuff.
Yeah.
No, shout out for being real, man. Shout out for being you.
I just want to ask you a question. Like you said, with the people judging you, obviously, you are a different person.
Yeah.
That goes without saying. How do you deal with then? Because sometimes, this is where I'm going with this. When like people judge you based on like what they see, internally it has something to play. It plays something in your head.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like, is this who I am? Like, are you bold about who you are? Like, does it affect you in any kind of way? I don't know if I'm making sense.
Like, does me affect me?
Like, you finding who you are, right? You know who you are.
Yeah.
But then do you change yourself because of what people would see?
React
like
to.
you just said, like you took off your piercings. Why did you take your piercings
But then that was also not for them. Yes, that played a role, but me taking off my piercings was more about me losing myself within this physical image that I had created. Because Linda, within my piercings, I was like, oh, my piercings are so dope. But besides that, it's not only the negative comments, but the positive comments also kind of like get to your head at times. You get me? Because you think that is all people see of you. Like when people are speaking to me because you see my piercings and think they're cool, or you think they whack. But sometimes you're just speaking to me because, I'm human. You get me? So I needed to kind of also see myself. Yes, the people, I got irritated by the whole eyes, and I couldn't walk, I guess, in the streets like a normal person. You get me?
Yeah.
And those are things that would also affect the people around me, because maybe we're not all about having people look at us and whatnot. So if I'm walking with you and you always know that, oh, dude, whenever I'm with you, someone is going to say something. Of course, you're also not going to feel comfortable being around me. So it's also that. But no, I don't think I changed for the people.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. That's exactly
to
where I
answer
was
your
going.
question.
Yes. No, you've answered me.
In this show, we obviously shine the light to like cool people like you. But when in your own words, what do you think makes you qualify to be in this podcast? For
like,
those
what makes you cool?
What makes you cool, basically?
What makes me cool?
You don't have to be humble, bro. It's just
I'm a child, bro. Like, I'm tapped into my inner child. Like, what makes me cool is that I don't take offense to these things. Like, I understand, you don't understand. I'm a child. I see world like a child. Dude, I get weedy, but dude, I'm telling you, I'm going to give you the same respect I give someone I know. Dude, like,
yeah.
I'm curious about the world, you get me? Like, I know that I didn't know whatever I didn't know at the time. So it's okay. I used to judge myself before I became this part. You feel me? So if whoever is doing whatever, whoever's saying whatever, dude, I'm a child at the end of the day. Like,
so being connected with your inner child is what makes him cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like as long as that little homie's like, I would chill with you. I'm good, bruh. Like, I'm really,
so you're
really
healing
good.
your inner child by who you are right now.
Yeah.
Is what you'd say.
And I think my inner child sees the world like cartoons.
Interesting.
Which
you
is
can
like,
go deeper on that one. You can go deeper on that one if you
I
can.
would want you to go deeper.
dude, like, like instead of like, how you see an ick in someone and then you're like, but then you could see it in a cartoon reference. You know how cartoons, when they run their legs, that could be an ick, but then someone could be walking in a way, let's say Majita Gokas, for instance. They have that charisma when they walk, or that character, that bounce in the swagger. That's animated, bro. Somewhere inside that nigga, when he woke up and he dressed himself the way he dressed, according to him, betile tricota, kale face, betile kwano, it's dry maker, what.
Yeah.
Mara still, and he's animated. He's like, if you was to see it in worlds, it would be just a different animation style.
Shout out. It
makes life less serious.
So you don't take life too seriously?
Yeah, I don't think we should.
Yeah, I think we should go for
I
everyone.
don't think we should. Like, it's almost like holding on to a last 10 rand like it's not gonna finish. Like,
that's a great analogy.
Dude, like the 10 rand is going to finish.
And another one is gonna come.
Dude, it's like, we out, we are not go groove, and you're like, yeah, I'm up, I'm down to my last 50, guys. Like, I can't, dude, it's going to finish. Whether you spend it now or you spend it tomorrow, it's going to finish. There's nothing we can do.
Shout out.
Okay,
so seguindo 10 rand, and how can you maybe advise people to make money out of, you are a stylist, I guess.
Yeah, I am a stylist.
Yeah. So how do you make your own money, and is it something that you would recommend a young one to start doing and stuff like that? Is the real business in?
Also, can I add on to that question? I also want you to ask you, like, also include what kind of people do you style as well in that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the part where you're saying, can people make money? Yes, they can. Right. First, how I make money, first and foremost, from the styling, how I make money is through my 9 to 5. Okay. I have a 9 to 5.
Shout out.
But then that is a styling 9 to 5. There's the e-com side of the styling where, let's say I'm working for a company like Jet. And I do like the stuff that you see online. So there's someone who dresses those people. There's someone who like builds bodies. You can make money like that. But then there's also, you can make money from the freelance thing. But then that also takes takes quite a lot of time. And I am not necessarily more on the freelance side because, one, of the type of styling I do, but then also I mostly just help my girlfriend. I think I work better when I work with my girlfriend, and I prefer working like that.
So how is that like 9 to 5, or are you getting there?
No, like the 9 to 5 side?
Yeah, like I'm not understanding how you work 9 to 5.
I work as a stylist. No, I work as a stylist for Cape Union Mart.
Oh, okay.
I work as an assistant stylist.
Okay.
Before they like, dude, why are you lying in front of people? So I work as an assistant stylist for Cape Union Mart, right? That I go in every day from whatever time. Do I enjoy it? I mean, I'm there. Okay, even why I started there, I wanted the learning. So it wasn't about do I enjoy it. I don't think I enjoyed the e-com perspective, but from the learning part, there's a lot of things I didn't know.
Okay.
There's a lot of things I didn't know. Like, I went in there initially for clothes. Right now, I'm doing homeware, like set designs. You get me?
Okay.
So from a growth perspective, yeah, it's very good.
So what's the end goal? Like, where do you see yourself? Obviously, you don't want to be working that 9 to 5 for the rest of your life. There's somewhere you are getting, but obviously now you're here because you want to learn certain things. You understand? So, like, I want to know, like, where do you see yourself? Like, okay, like, if I get here, yeah, I'm happy and I've made it in where I want to be. I'm pretty sure there's a goal that you're trying to attain.
Well, the reason why I do this because I like it. Like, initially, I don't think I even did it for the money. Like, this is the thing. The end goal of it all, I can be like, is for me to be driving around the world, camping wherever I want. because I'm pretty sure I'm a person who's going to get what. Let's say I get that gig, that Balenciaga gig or that Nike gig.
Okay.
I'm going to then disappear and go live my life, or probably I might change a career field and be a chartered accountant.
Crazy.
Crazy.
The reason why I asked you that, because like I was thinking your end goal would be like to have a fashion house, or like walk a runway, or like style people for Vogue or something like that. That's where my head was. You took me to camping.
No, I mean, yeah, because dude, like, I do this because it's fun. I enjoy it. So it's like, for instance, if we're gonna be here and we're gonna be like, okay, today we wanna shoot Leabuti Pro Child, the one time. And then we were like, please, Artobete Pro, do you wanna shoot? We're shooting with Pro because, dude, maybe I like you. I just like your music, dude, and I wanna help bring this vision to life. It's not. There was no end goal of how much money can be made out of this. You get me? Even for me, it's not like how much money can be made out of this. Like, ooh, I'm going to style you, but in a version where I see you also, something that you're gonna be happy in also. So I don't think it's necessarily from the money perspective. But yes, there is money to be made. You can make a lot of money depending on which side of styling you decide to go. It's very important because we all think streetwear, homonate, but then there's people who get paid from doing like costumes in movies. There's people who get paid from theater. There's people who do music. There's people who just do like just a regular old styling, like, you know, when you go food styling, when they're shooting burgers and stuff, someone styled that, you know. So it depends on which route you'd like to take.
I want to lighten the mood a bit. We had a conversation in previous episodes. If you haven't, go catch up there. Where we spoke about skinny jeans.
Okay.
How do you feel about skinny jeans? Because you better have a right answer here, because there is a right answer on this show.
You can't say there's a right answer. How do I feel about skinny jeans?
No. On this show.
There's
a right answer. Because we feel a certain way about.
Should they even exist?
Yes.
Should they even exist, bro?
No, let him cook.
Okay.
Listen,
let him cook.
Today, y'all guys got a real person. Me, I'm an aesthetic connoisseur. I see your style, but aesthetic also slaps, and it depends how you wear the skinny jeans. Like, I'm not gonna be like, yo, skinny jeans are bad, but then, dude, you should see how people wear skinny jeans. Like, there's really nice aesthetics for skinny jeans. But dear cool people, don't worry, we can do baggy pants. But then the thing with baggy pants is that we're all just doing the same baggy pants. Yeah, bro.
I hear you.
But you are going to tell me that no for skinny jeans.
I'm not happy with your answer.
Oh no, apem zanti bangazinxibi skinny jeans, Scott.
Listen.
Apem zanti.
And they are.
Me and cool people have had these conversations, especially to the gents. Nah. We do not condone skinny jeans on this podcast.
Why?
We do not at all. Throw them away.
And I don't understand why you would want to buy something that is so uncomfortable.
It's so uncomfortable. It goes even in our freezers.
Look, guys.
So that they can maintain the shape.
That's why I'm like, it's the skinny jeans we wear here in SA. I don't know what skinny jeans we're wearing here. Because I know exactly the ones you're talking about. Pizza, so tight.
So, who is keeping skinny jeans in business, guys? Guys, this topic rage baits me. The cool people know. People know. It rage baits me down because I'm not happy.
It's the way the people wear the skinny jeans. Look, also the way the people wear the skinny jeans, guys. Please, man. Like, I don't know.
You see, you are not happy.
I don't want to offend people because
offend them, especially the ones wearing skinny jeans. Offend them.
Let's say I want to go to a gig, ne? I want to go to a gig and I only have a pair of skinny jeans that I bought already that I love. I'm saying, my dog, I want to wear this skinny jean on the night where I'm going.
Keep them in mind. But he has to put them in the freezer.
I don't know what I should wear this with. How would you style me when a skinny jean?
Skinny jean.
They have to defrost first.
Skinny jean.
Like
skinny jean. Look. The outfit I'd put you in a skinny jean, I don't think would be user friendly because it would be more on the avant-garde side.
Explain avant-garde for someone who doesn't know what avant-garde is.
We can all assume.
I have to explain this.
Yeah, explain
in my understanding, because I'm not going to give you what do you call this, a textbook definition definition
your
of
understanding
avant-garde.
of avant-garde. Yeah,
As long as it's weird. And I'm not saying baggy, weird, no, like from silhouette, it should look like a Pokemon. The outfit should look like a Pokemon.
Like animated.
Yeah, with my anime style. So
like Kanye West.
Yeah, Kanye West does it, but he doesn't do it to the extreme.
No, like Balenciaga,
I was gonna
something like that,
So that's
with
avant-garde.
layering. Like this.
Also, that's avant-garde.
Avant-garde,
people are going to come.
It's
It's almost if this was clothing. Avant-garde is almost if this was clothing.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know how to explain it.
No, I think I get it.
No, we got it. I think we get it. Yeah.
Because even on those runways, there are clothes that you wouldn't buy from Ababandu Bapa.
Absolutely. Like on every day.
Every day, you understand?
It's not every day.
Mara, they look nice.
Do they?
Yeah, a lot of them do, bro. Others have to be explained, obviously. Like, what was the designer thinking?
My sister, what is your take on runway fashion? Let's say this past SA Fashion Week that happened.
Ooh, my essay, Ish. But what I feel about runway fashion and the avant-garde, now that I know that that's called avant-garde, is that it should stay on the runway. Like, dude, you can't. For me, this is my personal opinion. I can't now. I'm in a taxi. This one is wearing a outfit made of shopping bags. There's no ways. You shouldn't
even be wearing that outfit if you are still
That's what I'm saying.
traveling a taxi.
Besides that, I'm making an example here. Like, I think it's something
You understand?
It should stay for runway, like red carpet there. Now we're at Shoprite. Muntu asked the Woolies bags together as an outfit. No.
But a lot of them now, I think they are designed to spark an idea.
That's a good point.
You understand?
That's a good point.
You don't have to buy the entire piece as it is. At least pants, maybe shoes if you like them, bag, whatever.
So I'm not saying
we have an
it's
expert
not nice.
here. We have an expert here.
I wouldn't say
I'm
I'm an expert, but
it's not nice, but there's a certain crowd. It should stay.
I'm that individual who used to walk outside dressed in avant-garde stuff. Like,
lovely stuff.
I'm that individual. Like, it's not function wear. I also understand you can't wear it everywhere. Like you're saying, which you are right.
That's my point. It's
but
not
then
function.
I also understand the streets of Cape Town and streetwear in Cape Town is not that experimental. Name brands and slapping on what is deemed cool on social media doesn't make you have style.
Speaking about social media.
And is not fashion. That is my take.
Speaking about social media and you being like this avant-garde person, I stalked you there by the socials.
Yeah, we're not stalker.
I'm stalking
we're not stalker.
I see your style. You're there with the skirts and the interesting outfits. Take me through that. Take me through. They look fire though.
Yeah, they look fire.
There's a certain aesthetic I see on your page, and you do it so well. So I just want you to take us through that.
Through the dresses.
Can you answer two questions at once? And who are some of the stylists that you look up to and
that I look up to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or where you get your inspiration from?
Yes.
Let's first start with
the skirts.
The skirts. The skirts, where does that come from?
What inspires that whole aesthetic? I think you can just sum it up.
Androgyny. The perfect split between male and female. You see, you can never tell whether I am a guy or a girl. I guess. Okay, I'm not saying you can't tell, but then
no, we can definitely tell.
You know. But then like androgyny. I think androgyny because I also like to have a balance between my feminine and masculine side. You know, I feel like I am too feminine for the guys, but yet too masc for the girls, if you get what I mean.
Yes.
But yeah, that is where that comes from. Also, a lot of that is reference from my mom's style, because my mom is a person of color. That's how I incorporate that in the dresses.
Did you maybe one day steal some of her?
Dude,
items?
Every time I go home, my mom knows I'll go in her wardrobe and I'll raid her wardrobe. Like, it's a known fact. Like, I don't take my dad's clothes. I be taking my mom's clothes. Like, that's the thing. Because my mom has nice stuff and it's colorful, you know.
Yeah.
And my dad is kind of like Pantsula type of guy. It's usually I'm like, dude, I'm already a guy. I can get those stuff anyway, you know.
Okay, so who inspires you?
Who inspires me? Wow. Who inspires me?
Like, where do you draw your inspiration from?
Like style?
Like, style-wise?
Yeah, style-wise.
Yeah.
And some of the stylists that you also look up to in the game.
Yeah, there's the stylist, Tamarin Seal, dog. Yeah. She's a good stylist.
She's going to pop up here.
And then, Thames Baby _
Love it.
Thames Baby _
Yes.
You'll see she does a whole lot of great. Yeah, because I don't know where it's gonna pop up, so I'm like trying to hold it. You know, I'm trying to hold it. And then, dude, from a work ethic perspective, see the stylist tips.
So sorry to catch you there. So you mentioned the lady,
Thames Baby _
Yeah,
and then there's Tsepiso Sima, see the stylist. His work ethic is kind of wild. Hey, like I feel like, especially when I started, because this is also someone who kind of semi walked me, and I can't say kind of semi passed the baton. Yeah, I think that is the right word. But his work ethic is kind of fire. Eh? I kind of enjoy that. And then I don't think I kind of. Oh no, there is homie from Johannesburg, Ozzy Lee, if I'm not mistaken. I like his kind of styling, like his concepts are fire. Besides that, I don't think it's people I look up to. I just think it's people who either enjoy your work ethic or I just enjoy your styling work. But because of the kind of stylist I am, I also don't think and how I do my concept, because a lot of my concepts are based on my life, so I don't think I can be inspired by, or can't say be inspired by, you always inspired, nigga. But I don't think I can necessarily
I love how he humbles himself.
You know.
Mid-sentence, you humble yourself.
You need to remember. So I don't think I can necessarily say I draw inspiration from anyone besides myself. But I think the people that I mentioned are people that I also kind of tap into in terms of their work ethic and the work that they do, the last that I checked. Yeah.
You know, I laugh because on the show, we have a segment called CCD, Collective Discovery. And I was just thinking, I already have one, but now that I'm talking to you, there are so many discoveries that I'm discovering quickly. So yeah, as I said, on the show, we're gonna do cool CCD.
CCD.
Cool collective discovery. My man, do you have anything you want?
Yeah, I think it's fitting, Lennon Zaitela, since we have someone who's in the fashion world. Focalistic dropped a Adidas sneaker. He collaborated with Adidas. They are called the Foca Forums 2000s. I'm not sure if you've seen them.
No, I haven't seen them.
Okay. But yeah, they are really, really cool. I just don't like how wide they are. I so wish we can show people the picture. And I'm not really fucking with the
I would ask you to show me just so I can see.
Shoelaces. Yeah. Okay, let me quickly.
We'll show
if that's okay.
Yeah. I don't think they tell a full story because Focalistic calls himself President Dea Strata.
Yeah.
You understand? And I kind of feel like those ones, they tell a different story, man. You gotta get, your privileged people are whole. You understand? For lack of better, you understand?
Yeah. I hear that.
So yeah, man. I don't know what really inspired him to go for the color is fire, red and black. You can never go wrong.
Do you think it's the silhouette that you're not liking, or is it just the shoe itself in general?
Yeah, the shoe itself, man.
It's not nice.
Yeah, it's not nice. Okay, let me quickly show you, bro. Maybe I'm just,
if that's okay
not
with
being fair
you,
on the,
because I'm curious to see.
I think while he finds the shoe, I'll speak about mine. You're more than welcome to show him while I'm speaking. Guys, what I've discovered this week, I've been watching something on Netflix. I think everybody's watching it. The Trials of Winnie Mandela. What a doc.
I saw that.
What a doc. Shot well. Everything is top notch. Like, have you guys watched it?
Guys are nutty.
I haven't, but everyone is talking about it on. Everyone is talking about it on. Facebook.
Have you watched it?
No.
You should watch it. I think everybody.
Guys,
but it's a fair question because
listen,
we live on the internet as well. Like YouTube is our TV nowadays.
Nine Wi-Fi.
So is it a series or what? A documentary straight up?
It's a documentary on Netflix. Doc.
Sure.
It's not a series.
Okay.
It has 6-7 episodes, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. No. It takes your perspective to another level. Like, there's a point where she says, in the doc, where she says to Dadu Nelson Mandela that, Dada, you're selling these people a dummy revolution. Like,
in the doc.
In the doc, she says it. Like, dude, in the doc, there's even, sorry if you haven't watched it, spoilers 3, 2, 1. There's even the police that were involved in the apartheid regime. They're in there talking, saying that part. They even say, Winnie, we told her to go, and we told Nelson he must call her to prison with him. It was a way to shut her up. They say that in the doc.
That's wild.
It was a way that they could tame her. That doc is so real. It is so real. Even the conspiracies behind how Ustompi died, it's all there. You yourself.
So she explains everything.
Listen to me. Like,
in a flash.
Even like the Mandela Football Club.
Yeah.
The reason why it was started, it wasn't because those people knew how to play football. They didn't. They say it there. It's because they were trying to create some sort of aminyana to protect Winnie, but obviously the police were gonna take it as a threat if they were like, nah, it's us protecting Winnie. So they said it's a football club instead.
Yeah, go watch it. I was a spoiler.
Go watch it. That's why I said 3, 2, 1.
I need to go watch it.
But like, honestly, I really urge everybody to watch it. It's a whole nother dynamic as to how you'll see our history and all of that. Like, it's so good.
Buy a tissue box.
Especially with the stuff going on in Cape Town, with the whole selling off the whole Robben Island situation.
Dude,
I think it would be...
For me, like when she said it's the dummy revolution, like this revolution, this freedom, it's only now. It's going to come back.
Can you
and I see, and guys, it's coming back. The apartheid never ended. It's a whole nother chat, but
okay, yeah. Let's talk about Tetris B Mountaingoat.
Tetris B Mountaingoat.
The Ngwati, the book that you are So and maybe you can also touch on some of the people that are also featured in the book, if you can.
So the book itself is a book by Yana Schulz. I am a muse, so it's a collaboration.
A photography book.
A photography book, everybody. A photography book, I have to mention.
Yes.
There are explicit pictures of me, non-sexual, don't worry. But it's a photography book by Yana. Okay. And then it's a collaboration, I'm the muse, and then she took the pictures, but she dropped it. She dropped the book initially. That's how the book came about. This is a stranger from Germany. We met, ran to each other, had a conversation, blah, 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 came to be, and the book started happening in 2024. Yeah, that's when we shot the book.
Okay.
Along the period of 2024, over 5-6 months-ish. And then last year was the whole putting together stuff. Mind you guys, when I say we shot the book, I want to say we shot over 150 films. A film consists of 32 what you might calls. And we shot, so we were shooting every day. Mind you, so I have a 9 to 5. I come back and then we shoot.
Yeah.
Well, not every day, but like 4 times out of a week. You get me?
That's a lot.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Then did that. The book dropped in February this year. So far the copies in Cape Town because of the bookstores, guys. We mailed the bookstores. And they're taking the time to respond. So I'm also trying to get copies this side, but shipping is a problem, or rather is expensive, because I am just the artist and I'm just the human also. I want to tell this story because the story is about finding self and self-identity. That is what the book is initially about. Even though I'm the muse and whatever is happening in the book is about finding self and self-identity. It's an African story. I feel like people understand because then you will understand the perspective, the being perceived thing that I mentioned, where those things come in. You will kind of see it within the book, even though it's a photography book. You get me?
There's a story behind.
Yeah, and it has a written piece, a poem, a 2-piece poem by Logan for February, an author from Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. So he, after we had shot the book, Yana let him sit with the book. VVIP in Chagwasadibala.
Yeah, shut up.
So Yana gave the pictures to Logan. He went through and then he wrote what his interpretation of what he felt as he went through the images, the story that was being told. And that came to be the book. The book is out. Website, guys, it's a German name. So Gidistancha something. But you'll find it in my bio if they plug my handle somewhere here.
But okay, do you maybe know how the whole name came about? Like
what, Tetris
B Mountain? Because Tetris so nice.
Good game. And that's the name I used to go by also at some point. Tetris B Mountain.
Why?
So Tetris, because of the game Building Blocks, I just felt like, in life you gotta stack shit together in order to make it work, But then also the B comes from my name, Bathenkosi, but then mountain goat is from the resilience of a mountain goat. This, like, I had the hairstyle, but then I had 2 horns instead of just one.
So that is a horn.
No, it's not now, but I used to have horns.
It's a unicorn now.
And now I'm like a unicorn. I'm a mythical creature. I'm a whimsical nigga. I'm a whimsical nigga.
But too bad the creative.
Yeah, shut up.
Okay.
So you're basically saying people can really, how can they access the book?
Well, they can purchase it via the link in bio, Distantia, because...
Sure.
It's not real life. It's not. Sorry, I mean, the bio is not here with me, guys. But on my IG, there's a link in bio. Yes, where IG. You can. You don't even need to follow me. Actually, because just social media, as long as you know me in real life, that's what matters.
Yeah.
So the link is in my bio, in my social media, because that's the only way I can tell you to get the book. Because the copies that I'm gonna have this side are gonna be available at A4 books, which is in town. I try to what's this? There's a bookshop in Lang. I forget what they call it. But I wanted to get some books there, and then I wanted to get some books in Ops because I have 2 friends who have stores. Shout out hardworking friends, Nappy Studios and Bali's Blazet. That's where I would have had the whole book.
Have you?
But oh, sorry.
No. Sorry.
But I am having an activation at Bali's Blazet where the book will be out for people to see, and you can still pre-order there, so that when the books arrive, you get your copy. You get me?
I want to ask, with your book, is there a target audience that
in mind?
Yeah.
Oh, I just wanted to tell. Well, in mind, here it is. In mind, because remind you. Me and Yana are from 2 different worlds. Yana is 40, by the way, guys. I am 15. But so listen, I told you I'm in touch with my inner child.
Yeah, you must mention that part is very. Hey, 15-year-olds working 9 to 5 is a bit odd. Go to school.
You know. So from my perspective, I would have liked the story to reach people who experience what I experience, which is people of color. Especially as from a perception and being perceived, because we experience this a lot wherever we are. I grew up in the burbs, but I also experienced my parents working towards the burbs, so I didn't end up there. So that perception of he's a suburban boo, no. And there's a lot of us who experience that he's a suburban boo. Oh, why are you wearing dresses? Oh, the hair or whatever it is. But
it stems from
whatever I was experiencing then, I feel like is a story that kids who look and I guess experience the life that I also experienced, those are the people who should see the books. Because I did not even have sales in mind with the books.
Because, I was just thinking about where people who'd be interested in your book. If the first thought that came to mind was thrift stores, selling your book at a thrift store.
I get that,
Is that a good idea? No.
Cape Town, okay. Cape Town, is it a good idea? Yes, it is. But I also don't think it is.
Okay.
Because it's an educational book. Even the places where I am selling it is bookstores. Sure. Where people are genuinely going for books. Yeah.
That makes sense. So, I get it. I said, I stalked you a bit.
You stalked me a bit.
Some little berry, or I saw somewhere.
Some little birdie.
Said you come from Joburg. Sorry.
I just moved from Joburg. I moved from the Joburg. I moved from the Joburg before I didn't move here. I moved from the Joburg, but I'm not from Joburg.
Oh, okay.
How was that move like?
To Joburg?
Yeah.
I moved there in matric.
Oh.
Yeah, 2018. I was not a fashion bro.
Okay.
I was not a fashion bro. I just moved. I moved because my mom got a promotion, and I was like, dog, I don't want to stay alone. Went to go stay with my mom. Did matric. That's when I started smoking heavy. Wow, life was good. I was probably more on the Amekasi bro. I was on my skinny chin vibes.
Yeah, I could.
No, guys, we all go through our down bad phases. You can't judge me.
Yeah.
I didn't know better. Yeah, but
Shut up.
so
forgive you.
Josie, I didn't stay that much. I can't really say I have much to say about the place. I just passed there.
But by looking, how do they dress? Are they different from
Cape
Townians?
If you
could compare it to Cape Town.
Those brewers on that side are experimental. I like whatever is wrong with them. I like whatever is right with them. I like that they don't care, like those brews are really experimental. That's where I got my perspective of fashion. Like, because I was used to, when I was rewriting my matric, I went to Bram for the first time, and then I met like some really odd brewers. You'd have your in Bram. It was weird at that time. You'd have your Instagram kids. Whoever they used to chill at Archive, but then like on the top side of Juta, you have your streetwear kids, like your really experimental, like Japan type of streetwear. War Superstar, Space Boy, and all those homies. So those were like homies are like, these homies dress, I see a character within that dressing. Like they don't
just cover their boots.
Yeah, those homies are, it's like a character, bro. Like these are the homies that made Cotton Fest in terms of from a dressing perspective.
Sure.
The homies that I'm speaking about are the reason why people started dressing up for Cotton Fest. Do your homework, check Cotton Fest 2019. I think it's 2019 if I'm not mistaken. But then there's this homie that Ricky posted. He had the green outfit with the superstar Kobela though. For those who know Kobela and Twimbu. Yeah. Those homies are homies that I consider to be creative in terms of playing with clothes,
Especially in Joburg.
Yeah, even with the way they accessorize, it's where I feel like that's where if those homies just received the right attention and like you just grow it there, would go very fine understanding what it means to actually play dress up, because now people don't play dress up. They just, oh no, I have a Nike here, I have a Bodega here, I have a Balenciaga, and just because I have these name brands usually, yeah.
Okay.
All right. There's another segment on the show called Hot Seat.
Washa Hot Seat.
Yeah, we're gonna put you on the hot seat. It's usually between myself and him, but today you're our guest, so it's only you.
We're going to sit on that hot seat.
So what's happening in this hot seat? Why you vote?
It's going to be hot.
Why you vote?
You have time.
Why? It's just hot.
Yeah, and you must answer the questions we have as honestly as possible.
Janko, I'm going to lie.
Are you an honest brother?
I'm going to lie my heart out. Wow. I'm an honest bro. No, I'm showing you cross my heart and what and whatnot,
You know when they say you cross your fingers at the back, that means you're not gonna.
That happens when we were shaking hands, when we were sealing the deal, and I cross my fingers, like making a deal with the devil,
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. Do you want to take it off?
Yeah, let me start.
Okay.
Hola.
How difficult was it for you to get girls before the fashion bug beat you? How difficult was it? Oh, was final and
I wasn't. Let me say. Okay, I was. There was a point I wasn't getting girls. But I was. Are we talking? Wait. Okay. No, actually, are we talking high school or after high school here? Because
just when
you started being the person that you are right now, how difficult was it to get girls before you?
Hey, dude, I'm pretty sure a lot of the time the girls thought I was gay, but then it's cool, man.
I feel like he's giving us a political answer because his girl is behind
is there. Shout out to supportive girlfriends out there. But we feel like
I don't think we're getting the whole truth.
Yeah, no, she needs to take a walk.
Bro needs to take a walk. Okay, guys. No, I wasn't getting girls like that, though. To be honest, I wasn't getting girls like that. Yes, I was, but then not at the rate of the way Majita get girls. I feel like Majita get girls, bro. But I would like here and there, touch and go, Plus,
trip and pass.
Yeah,
as football lovers.
Rakata here.
Wow.
Rakata here.
Let's go.
Here's a question. Spend or save, between these two.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Between shoes and clothes.
Which one would I spend on?
A lot on, and which one would you save on? Like this one, I'm not gonna spend that much money. And the other one, you're like, I don't care how much it costs.
I think more shoes, because the shoes that I like I'm not a techie person. I know I'm wearing sneakers and stuff. So like I'm a person who's going to like your heel. Yeah, bro. I'm going to like your toe shoes. Or I'm going to like pumps.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. So
that didn't go where I thought it was gonna go.
Oh. Okay, not your heel leg.
Am I kitten heel? You seen it?
Dude, do you know there's these little flops? I don't know. I'm not speaking about guy shoes. This is the thing.
It's fine.
There's these flops.
Yeah, but the ones with the small heel. Girl.
What? You like those?
Girl.
What?
Yeah, girl. And they like.
Hey, maybe I should check out your Instagram, bro. I need to.
You should.
Yeah. Maybe.
So I know exactly the shoes you talk about. I'm a flops, and I'm a hilang.
Yeah. But then, do you know there's ones that come like that
toes.
heel? Yeah, but toes. And I think it's so cool. Like that's my problem. I'll spend more on shoes, but it would be weird shoes.
I think.
Okay.
It's interesting because I'm already against toe socks. Now
it's like I lost. Okay. Don't worry, Ntaga. I still own a pair of new rocks, like something on the guy's side.
Out of the planet of the cool to some other planet. I don't know what I am.
The thing is also clothing doesn't have gender. Eh?
Fair.
That's why now even my shoe choice, I think.
No. I don't think it's about the gender. For me,
you just think it's the shoe.
The shoe.
You don't like the shoe.
The toe shoe. I don't think I will like the toe shoe.
I'm going to place you at fashion entry level, beginner level.
Yeah, place me there is fine.
I'm going to place you there.
I'm not mad at that.
Okay, no, maybe actually I'm the one who's a little bit weird.
Weird is not the right word.
It's not the right word?
No.
Okay.
What is the right word?
Unique, authentic.
Yeah.
Those are the kind
But the problem is, the problem is, then who is really unique if everyone is going to walk around saying we are all unique?
Because there's no one else like you.
But there's no one else like you and him and
that's
her.
What makes you unique.
So
that's the meaning of unique.
Unique so it's a human feature actually.
It can be.
It's because everyone is unique if you're gonna put it like that. So it's a human feature. Unique is a human feature. So in actual reality, no one is actually unique.
I hear where you're going, but no.
Okay, we won't have a back and forth.
For the sake of time, guys. Still on the hot seat. Who do you feel is overrated in the fashion world? And it could be a designer or anyone. Someone you feel like, yeah, this guy, nah.
Guys, first and foremost,
I feel like you're thinking of someone.
No,
but you are.
An answer.
Yeah.
First and foremost, guys,
you're disclaiming.
Let us respect each other. Let us understand. When you call yourself a designer, this is what it means. When you call yourself a stylist, this is what it means.
Chief.
To say you can dress well doesn't mean
we don't want
the
political
clothing.
Answers here. Straight to the point.
Who is overrated?
Who is? Don't know. We have a Saba.
And Basabe, okay, look, guys, to be honest, I'm gonna name them all.
All.
Let me see. I'm going to start with the people in Cape Town. Guys.
Okay, give me
Yonga.
3.
I'll give you 3.
Give me 3.
Okay, also, no hate to the people, right?
No, it's your
no
opinion.
Hate to the people. My opinion, personally, my opinion, guys. My opinion, personally.
Yeah.
I don't think you guys who say you can dress, the cool kids in the industry, by the industry, guys. I mean, if I'm going to go to town and I see you, and you know these places where the cool kids go, dude, please, your name brands don't make you ukono apara. No, like styling something and putting something on is not the same. You get me? Like, I don't respect all of you guys. All of you guys. In terms of dressing perspective, from like me saying, umfa character. Actually, no, Yams, you can dress. Yams, you can dress. Yams, the designer. Yams, Mason. I forget. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I like Yams a star. She makes nice design stuff, you know. I like Wabi, the things Wabi makes. Wabi is a designer, it's not on social media, but I like the things Wabi makes. I just don't like everything else that everyone makes. And I don't like how y'all guys dress. Tamron is the best dressed for me, though. Tamron, get Tam's baby.
Shout
but I don't think I'm going to give y'all guys a straight answer because I'm going to have to name people. And it's like people that people know and consider as fashion tycoons. And I don't think they can dress, you know.
Well, now you don't really respect
all y'all niggas.
Yeah, I don't respect the people's big dogs because I don't think they can dress. Not that I think they are horrible people or anything. I just don't, from a styling perspective. Guys, if we were to, actually, please, someone host this, put us in one shop, Sonke, give us 10 minutes, and let us all come out and see who can put together the best outfit. If you really think you can dress.
I mean, I'm not going there, but I think we've reached the end of our episode. Everybody, he said all y'all. Is there anything you want to plug before we say our goodbyes?
Guys, we are currently working with an artist called Original Judah. He's a great reggae artist. I really thought SA Reggae is dead, but then this young kid is a really good artist. He makes good music, and he's gonna have an album listening session. We're kind of still planning that. He's gonna drop an album, but he has a single that's coming out before the album drop. Please do give him an ear. I think he's a good kid, man, and yeah, he's gonna do good.
Yeah,
like reggae is good music, so. And SA, we need Lucky Dube again, you know, because, But that's all I have to say. Otherwise, let's love each other, stand and remember when you are living in someone else's dream, remember when you are living in yours. That's all I have to say.
Okay, word of the day.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yes.
Thank you. You've been amazing, man. You're officially our first guest on the pod. And yeah, man.
Ndabulela, cool people, you know.
We brought someone cool.
Yes.
Ndabulela, guys. Y'all guys are really cool. Y'all guys are really cool, man.
You're cool too.
I hope to see y'all again.
Definitely.
You'll come back as the friend of the show.
I think
next
after
time,
this now, you're already the friend of the show.
I'm gonna come back as
tell your other people, the ones who have TVs and Wi-Fi, to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Guys, for the ones without TVs, please like, comment, subscribe,
the
share.
Ones with Wi-Fi.
Or the ones with guys with Wi-Fi Lady TV, please comment, subscribe, share. And follow me on Instagram on 076 595.
Seyivala bafethu buhlele ngqala kole nqokola kwechaps kokusejabulo uTT wezaza neculture. If you are a South African, you understand this. Konganji.
I'm done with the show. It was your girl Uyoga here. Catch you on the next ep. If you made it this far, then they are talking over me now. You'll see. But anyways, if you guys made it this far, hey, shout out to you guys. Serious cool person down. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Down. Sharp.